Thinking about hosting your website with Hostinger? In this video, I'm giving you a full Hostinger review, the good, the areas to consider, and whether Hostinger is still worth your money in 2025. I've tested it for performance, speed, features, security, support, and pricing, and I'm not leaving anything out. I provide the link in the description below to Hostinger, where you'll get a Hostinger discount. Make sure you copy the Hostinger promo code I've included next to the link in the description that saves you more money on your Hostinger hosting purchase, plus you'll get a free domain. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you, plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. If you haven't already, feel free to click the link in the description to visit Hostinger. Let's dive in. Hostinger is one of the most popular web hosting providers out there, known for its budget-friendly prices and impressive performance, especially for beginners, bloggers, small businesses, large businesses, agencies, and freelancers. But is it too good to be true? Let's start with pricing. Hostinger's shared hosting plans are some of the cheapest on the market. Premium web hosting plan runs as low as $2.99 a month. You'll get it cheaper with the coupon code I provided. Comes with 25 websites, 25 gigabytes SSD storage, 2 mailboxes per website, weekly auto backups, free domain, and free SSL. Business web hosting plan, most popular, runs as low as $3.99 a month. Again, you'll get it cheaper with the coupon code I provided. Comes with everything the premium plan comes with, plus more power. It includes 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, 5 mailboxes per website, free CDN, and daily and on-demand backups. Cloud Startup Plan, reliable cloud hosting starting at just $7.99 a month. You get it cheaper with the promo code I provided. The plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, 10 mailboxes per website, handles peak traffic with power boost for a week, month, get a unique IP address, and 24/7 priority support. All plans include a free SSL, automatic WordPress installation, and 24/7 support. But keep in mind, those prices are promotional. Renewal prices are higher, which is common in the web hosting industry and not just something Hostinger does. Now, while Hostinger is best known for its shared hosting, they actually offer a full suite of hosting and online business tools depending on your needs. Shared hosting, best for beginners and small websites. Manage WordPress hosting, optimized for WordPress performance and ease of use. Cloud hosting, a step up in speed and reliability for growing businesses. WooCommerce hosting, tailored for e-commerce stores using WordPress. VPS hosting, virtual private servers for more control and higher performance. Agency hosting, ideal for web designers and developers managing multiple client sites. Minecraft hosting, a dedicated hosting service for Minecraft servers with easy setup, low latency, and DDoS protection. Game server hosting hosts multiplayer game servers with scalable resources and fast global performance. Hostinger Website Builder, a drag-and-drop AI-powered builder for anyone who wants to build a professional-looking site without using WordPress. Hostinger Horizons, build fully functional websites and web apps just by chatting with AI, then launch them instantly with a single click, no coding required. Domain registration, search, register, and manage domain names directly through Hostinger with competitive pricing and free domain options on premium and higher plans. Email hosting, create and manage professional email accounts directly from your Hostinger dashboard. Email marketing, Hostinger offers built-in tools to send newsletters, automate emails, and manage subscribers, great for small businesses and creators who want everything under one roof. So whether you're starting a blog, running a store, building client websites, or managing emails and marketing, Hostinger provides a full toolkit to launch and grow your online presence. Performance is where Hostinger really shines for the price. Their servers run on Lightspeed, which is significantly faster than Apache. In real-world tests, I've tested a fully functioning website and it loaded on average 991 milliseconds with basic optimization. I also ran a performance test, and here are the results from different locations around the world. Since I chose a server based in the US, you'll notice the best speeds are in the US region. That's because it's closest to the data center. You'll see metrics like DNS speed, connection time, TLS, and time to first byte, all showing strong, reliable performance. Hostinger also provides 99.9% uptime, which is excellent. Global CDN support is included with the business plan and above. They also offer a custom-built control panel called hPanel, which is surprisingly intuitive and fast. Hostinger's hPanel is beginner-friendly. You can install WordPress in one click, manage files, domains, backups, and databases easily. Use their website builder if you don't want WordPress with drag and drop tools. If you're new to hosting, hPanel makes things feel simple without sacrificing advanced options for developers. Here's what you get with most Hostinger plans: free SSL certificate, weekly or daily backups, depends on plan, malware scanning, free domain, email hosting, Git integration and SSH access for developers. They've also added WordPress staging, and the performance is optimized for WordPress out of the box. Now let's talk about security. Something that often gets overlooked with budget hosts, but not here. Every Hostinger plan includes a free SSL certificate, ensuring secure data encryption, built-in malware scanner, alerts you to threats, and on higher tier plans, it automatically removes infections. Free privacy protection hides your personal contact details in the public WHOIS database, helping prevent spam and identity theft. DDoS protection is standard thanks to their integration with Cloudflare. They offer two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your account for an added layer of login protection. Automatic backups are weekly or daily, depending on your plan, and you can restore your site with a few clicks. Web Application Firewall, WAF, that helps protect your website from common online threats such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and other malicious attacks. Hostinger security stack is impressively robust, offering strong protection for websites of all sizes. Hostinger support is available 24/7 via live chat and email. There's no phone support, but in my experience, response times are fast. They also have a very helpful knowledge base, along with tutorials that will help guide you on things you need help with. If you're someone who prefers live chat over long waits on the phone, you'll appreciate their system. That said, not having phone support might be a con for some users. Let's break down the pros. Very affordable pricing, fast load times thanks to Lightspeed, free domain and SSL included, beginner-friendly dashboard, 24/7 live chat support, great uptime and reliability, WordPress optimized and staging environment. Hostinger delivers incredible value, especially for new website owners and small businesses, but it's not perfect. Here are the cons. No phone support, low promo prices require a long-term commitment, daily backups are only available on higher tier plans, no free CDN on the premium plan. These may not be deal breakers, but they're worth considering. Hostinger is best for beginners building their first website, WordPress users on a budget, bloggers, creators, freelancers, small businesses looking for fast, reliable, and cheap hosting, large companies needing scalable, secure, and high-performance hosting, agencies managing multiple clients who need efficient, flexible, and affordable hosting, and at lower prices than most competitors. So is Hostinger worth it in 2025? Absolutely. If you want reliable, fast hosting at a fraction of the price of competitors, Hostinger is one of the best budget options available. Just be aware of the renewal cost and plan limitations. Hostinger strikes an impressive balance between price, performance, and ease of use, making it a smart choice for beginners and everyday website owners. I've added a link below to Hostinger if you're ready to get started. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more web hosting reviews and website tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone.